Hello everyone, my name is Ronak and you're watching VectoArt. So in today's video, we will take a look on how to install the XML Previewer for Avalonia UI in Visual Studio 2022. As you all know, Avalonia does not provide a designer when you integrate it with Visual Studio, and you will have to just work with the XAML, and every time you want to see your changes reflected, you will have to run the application. But this all can be resolved by using this IDE extension, and this IDE extension will instantly help you see the changes to your UI when you are editing XAML and in an interactive XML previewer. The previewer is available as a part of Avalonia extensions for Microsoft Visual Studio 2019, 2022, and JetBrains Rider. In this video, we will see how to download and install this extension in Visual Studio 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. So let's start by firing up Visual Studio 2022. And let's open our my recent project if you want to know about more about it, I have made a video on it. Please check out my previous video where I have explained more about how to install and how to use data templates and how to use the MVVM pattern. So please do check out my previous videos. So moving on, so we as you all know, so if you go to Solution Explorer, sorry, so if you see the views, we have our SAML view, and if you go to the designer, you will see that it does not have a designer. It does not support a designer right now. And to resolve this, you can go to extensions, go to manage extensions, and you can look for Avalonia. Search, you will find Avalonia for Visual Studio 2022. You can download this, and it says previewer and templates for Avalonia application and libraries. You can download this, and then to install this, you will have, it says that we have to close Visual Studio. So let's close this and close this Visual Studio. And once you close, you will see that the installer is initializing. Let me click on modify. The installer will take some minutes to install. It depends on your PC processor. So let me speed up the process here, so the we need not wait for this to complete. That's it. So this is installed, so let's close this. And now once again, let's launch Visual Studio 2022. Go, you can open your recent project, which is built in Avalonia, and then you can go to extensions, and let's ensure that the extension is installed successfully. So let's go to the extensions, manage extensions, and go to installed, and under installed you should see this extension installed. You can either disable it or you can uninstall it from here. Now that it is installed and enabled, let's close this. And to view the designer, all you have to do is go to Solution Explorer, right click, and click on View Designer, or you can also press Shift F7. And there you go, we have the designer view enabled now, and you can also see all the real-time changes that you do on the designer. The designer is now loaded. So let's make some real-time changes. Before that, let's go to the designer view and see what all you have. You can resize like you can do in all other WPF applications. You can either switch from designer view to code view, and you can also have a split screen like we did. We can have a vertical layout or an horizontal layout. It depends on your preference, and we can toggle between them. So that's it. And now to see the real-time changes, let's change this text to helper, and you can see that the text has updated in real time. Let me fit all, and here you can see it has changed to helper. Let me revert back to teacher, and the changes are updated in real time. So hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.